Insert a table into your document, and it normally appears aligned with the left margin. Word allows you to indent the table by applying the techniques described in this quick tip. As you can see, this document already has a small table within it. Now, the contents of the table aren't important. I'm more interested in the table itself. Once you insert a table, you cannot use the regular formatting tools up on the ribbon to indent the table. This is because in most instances, tables do not behave the same way as paragraphs. Well, there's a couple of ways that you can indent tables. One is to hover the mouse pointer over the table and use this little control right up here at the upper left-hand corner. Notice that it has a four-headed arrow within it. And when I move the mouse pointer over the top of it, the mouse pointer changes to be a four-headed arrow. I can click on that and then drag it to wherever I want. And when I release it, then that is where the table becomes positioned. A more precise method of indenting your table, though, is to put the insertion pointer somewhere within it, just like we have right here, and then we're going to choose the Table Layout tab of the ribbon over here. If you don't see the Table Layout tab of the ribbon on your screen, it just means that you don't have the insertion point within the table. This option is only available once the insertion point is within the table. Now, over at the left side of the ribbon, I want to click on the Properties option right here. And by default, the Table tab should be selected. The control that I want to pay attention to here is the one that says Indent from Left. You can see that it's currently set to 2.06 inches. That's because we just indented that table by dragging it and dropping it at a position, and that position just happened to be 2.06 inches. If I wanted to change the position, however, all I have to do is change what's in here. So, for instance, I can set this to be 0.75 inches if I want to, just by typing 0.75 in there. And now when I click on OK, my table is repositioned exactly 0.75 inches from the left margin. There is one important thing to remember here. The value you can enter into the dialog box is always relative to the margin. That means that you can enter a negative number in there as well, which moves the table into the left margin. And there you have it. That's how you indent a table. Two ways that you can indent a table within Word. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, make sure that you share it with someone who might benefit from the information presented here. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.